Today I am reviewing the EcoFlow DELTA 3 Portable Power Station. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The EcoFlow DELTA 3 Portable Power Station is an impressive combination of speed, capacity, durability, and versatility, making it an ideal solution for anyone who needs reliable portable power for home backup, camping trips, RV adventures, or emergency situations. One of its standout features is the incredibly fast charging capability. Thanks to its upgraded technology that combines up to 500 watts of solar input with a maximum of 1,500 watts of AC input, this unit can be fully charged in just 56 minutes, which is remarkable for a power station of this size. If you're in a hurry, it can reach 80% charge in only 30 minutes, meaning you can top it up while packing your gear, having a meal, or getting ready for an outing without long waiting times. This fast charging ability is a real game changer, especially when you're preparing for unpredictable situations like power outages or last-minute trips. Another major strength of the DELTA 3 is its flexibility and expandability. On its own, it offers a robust 1024 watt-hours of stored capacity, but it's designed to integrate seamlessly with EcoFlow's ecosystem of extra batteries. You can expand the total capacity up to a massive 5 kilowatt-hours by pairing it with compatible options like the DELTA 3 Extra Battery, the DELTA Pro 3, or the DELTA 2 Max battery packs. The DELTA 3 Extra Battery itself is 1/3 smaller and lighter than the DELTA 2 Extra Battery, making it easier to transport and handle. This expandable design means you can customize your setup based on your needs, whether you want something lightweight and portable for short trips or a larger system for extended off-grid living and home backup. Durability is also a key part of what makes the DELTA 3 a long-term investment. It's powered by LiFePO4 or LFP battery cells, which are known for their stability and long lifespan. This unit offers up to 4,000 charge cycles to 80% capacity, which is about 25% more durable than many other power stations in its class. In practical terms, that translates to around 10 years of daily use, so you're getting a product designed to last, not something you'll have to replace after just a couple of seasons. The battery pack is also IP65 rated, meaning it's splash-proof, dust-proof, and even oil-proof, so it can handle challenging environments without compromising safety or performance. Whether you're dealing with rain, dusty trails, or messy work sites, this power station is built to keep going. When it comes to actually using the DELTA 3, the number of devices you can power simultaneously is another area where it shines. It's equipped with abundant ports and outlets, allowing you to power up to 13 appliances at the same time. That's enough to run your essential home devices during a blackout, keep multiple gadgets charged while camping, or operate various tools at a job site. The unit supports both standard devices and higher demand resistive appliances thanks to EcoFlow's X-Boost technology, which allows it to handle loads over 2,600 watts continuously. This means you can run things like electric kettles, space heaters, or power tools that many smaller stations can't handle. The portability and ease of use make it even more appealing. Despite its high capacity, it's designed with a form factor that's easy to move and store. You can keep it in your RV, store it at home, or load it into your car without much effort, and the included accessories make it even more versatile. In the box, you get the EcoFlow DELTA 3 power station itself, an AC charging cable for wall charging, a car charging cable for on-the-road recharging, a DC 5521 to DC 5525 cable for smaller devices, and a user manual. Plus, EcoFlow provides an exclusive 5-year customer service guarantee, which offers reassurance that your purchase is backed by strong support. Overall, the EcoFlow DELTA 3 Portable Power Station is an exceptional piece of equipment for anyone who needs dependable, long-lasting, and fast-charging portable power. Its combination of rapid charging, flexible expandability, impressive durability, and the ability to power a wide range of devices simultaneously makes it stand out in a crowded market. Whether you're preparing for emergencies, living off-grid, enjoying extended camping trips, or simply want a reliable backup for your home, this power station delivers performance you can count on for years to come. With its thoughtful design, powerful output, and rugged build, the DELTA 3 is more than just a portable power source. It's a smart investment in energy independence and peace of mind.